Join me as I try to figure out if I can actually make money while I sleep. Can I really earn passive income overnight? Let's find out. Wealth creation through passive income. It's a powerful concept that has the potential to transform lives. Imagine waking up every morning with more money in your bank account than you had the night before, without having to lift a finger. It's a concept that's tantalizing, to say the least, and it's exactly what I want to dive into today. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to create passive income is simply finding the time to do it. We're all busy, we've all got a million things going on, and it's hard to carve out a few hours a day to focus on building wealth. Another challenge is lack of knowledge. There's so much information out there, it's hard to know where to start. Do you invest in real estate? Do you try your hand at dividend stocks? What about digital products? The choices are endless, and it can be overwhelming. And then, of course, there's the initial investment. Building passive income often requires some upfront capital, whether it's money, or time, or energy. And that can be a significant hurdle for a lot of people. For most people, this is easily overcome. For example, I love affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can simply promote the products and services that someone else created and get paid to do it. Using affiliate and network marketing programs is how I got started. There are so many programs out there today that are very affordable. I have several that cost less than $20 a month, but that generate hundreds a month in sales. Most of these simple programs allow me to earn a return on my investment of 300% to 3,000% every month. I then use those funds to grow and build my passive income portfolio of stocks, ETFs, and crypto. Finally, there's the fear of failure. What if I try something and it doesn't work out? What if I end up losing money instead of making it? What if I told you that there are ways to overcome all of these challenges? That there are methods out there that can help you build wealth while you sleep, without having to sacrifice your entire life in the process? Because the truth is, building passive income isn't rocket science. It just takes a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of patience, and a willingness to take the first step. One of the most popular methods of generating passive income is through real estate. Now I know what you're thinking. Real estate sounds like a lot of work, and it's expensive, right? But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. With the rise of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, it's easier than ever to get started in real estate, even if you don't have a lot of money to invest. One of my favorite REITs generates a yearly dividend yield of more than 12%. They do all of the work associated with managing the real estate and collect the dividends. Another method is through dividend stocks. These are stocks in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. And then there are digital products, ebooks, courses, software. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you can create them once and sell them over and over again. I want to tell you a story about someone who leveraged sleep to enhance their passive income strategy. This person was an entrepreneur who had created a successful online course teaching people how to build websites. She realized that she was making most of her sales while she was asleep. People were buying her course in the middle of the night, and she was waking up to find more money in her bank account. She realized that if she could just optimize her website for conversions, she could make even more money while she slept. So she spent a few hours tweaking her website, and the next morning, she woke up to find that her sales had increased by 20%. The power of consistency and mindset is incredible. And this story just goes to show that even small changes can add up to make a big difference. So what have we learned today? We've learned that building passive income is possible, even with limited time, knowledge, or initial investment. We've learned that there are methods out there that can help us build wealth while we sleep. And we've seen the power of consistency and mindset in action. If you're interested in learning more about financial freedom strategies, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got tons of content on everything from investing to budgeting to entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite way to build passive income?